I don't know if you've heard this before, but compounding is an investor's best friend. The idea behind compounding is simply reinvesting the profits you make on your initial investment in more investments. For example, if you start with an investment of $5,000 and consistently make a return of 10% a month, and you kept reinvesting those returns, in just under 5 years, your investment would be worth $1 million. Sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? This is how a lot of highly successful investors have started off with a couple of $1,000s and turned it into multi-million-dollar investment portfolios. Warren Buffett is one of the best examples of this incredible power of compounding. He started investing when he was just 10 years old with $38 and eventually turned it into a multi-billion-dollar investment portfolio. He did this by simply buying undervalued companies and selling them for a profit and repeating the process over and over. Now, you might be asking yourself, if this was so easy, why isn't everyone a millionaire or a billionaire? The answer is simple. It's not. Making a return of 10 to 20% on an investment requires hours of research, reading, and being thorough with the company you invest in. You need to have the discipline to always stay informed on current market trends and global news and situations. You need to spend time understanding how economic news affects your investments. This is why only a few people succeed in doing this. You have to be passionate about making money. But once you master this, the path is crystal clear. All you need to do is find investments that can make you, say, a return of 10 to 20% and keep repeating this process. $10,000 compounded with a return of 20% each month for 13 months would make you $106,000. And if you keep compounding this for just another year, you will be a millionaire. That's right, $1 million. The trick is to identify these investment gems each month. At the end of the day, all you need to become a successful investor is the effort to study and learn everything about investing. Always be curious, inquisitive, and eager to learn. If you pay the utmost care to your investments will eventually take care of you. So, the next time you think about paying $1,000 for an expensive upgrade to your vehicle or a pair of shoes you would only wear on special occasions, stop. Think about how much more you could make with that money with the power of compounding. Another thing you absolutely have to remember if you are ever going to be a successful investor is discipline. You can't deviate from your strategy. Easier said than done because it's sometimes human nature to get sidetracked. For example, you might hit your investment goal of 10% and then instead of exiting that investment at a smart price, you might hold on to it being greedy for more. The stock price could then drop the next day, never to return to that price again. So, always stick to your strategy. Once you've fulfilled your objective, move on to your next investment. This is why homework is so important. Once you have identified a share market gem, figure out the best price for entry and be ready to invest in them as soon as you have the funds to do so. Remember, you can't invest in every company in the share market. So, if you invest in a company and believe in it, disregard the noise of the prices of other shares. If you could predict the price movement of every share in the stock market, I would give you every penny I have to invest it for me. There are plenty of fish in the sea. Just look for the right ones, and when you do find one, focus. Also, don't be disheartened if you make losses now and then. You can't be perfect all the time. It's all a part of the learning curve. Remember, mistakes can be your greatest lessons. I hope you've learned something new today and have become a bit more motivated to start investing for yourself. If you have, do give it a try. Invest a small amount, decide on your goals, build the portfolio and stick to your strategy. Visualize your possible returns and work towards that goal each day. You're a few steps away from being a millionaire, so always keep at it. As always, I would appreciate your help in growing my channel. Every subscriber helps and would bring me a step closer to taming that YouTube algorithm, so please take a few seconds to subscribe. I will do my best to make it worth your while. Until next time.